Hey, what's up guys? In this video, like I said a couple videos ago, we will be making a ginormous battle axe. The first step of making your ginormous battle axe will be cutting down a tree. But since I showed you in the last video how to cut down a tree and how to shave the bark off, I'm just going to skip that part out. Your stick should be pretty thick like this one, and it should kind of have a little curve. And for you kids who are watching, you may want an older person's help because this video will involve a lot of chainsaws and an oscillating multi-tool. And an oscillating multi-tool is a tool with a blade on it that spins super fast back and forth like this, and it can cut your finger off very easily. And hopefully I informed you well on how to sand the stick. The first grit of sandpaper you use is 60. You do it back and forth until all the splinters are off, and then you do the same thing but with the 220 grit sandpaper. Now we can start making the axe blade by getting a log, a big log, a chunky log with a width kind of like this one. And then once you found a good log, you can go take a chainsaw and slice a sliver off of the log. The slice that you sliced should kind of look like this one. Now you can take a handy dandy pencil. We're going to use a pencil to outline the shape of the blade we want. Now we can cut out the shape of the axe blade. And to do that, we're going to use this tool, the miter saw. And I'm sorry if you don't have it because I'm always having tools that you probably don't have. But anyways, just follow what I do. Before we cut anything, we're going to have to trace out the shape of the blade. You're going to make a line right down the middle. And then once you've made a line down the middle, find the center of the line and make a little curve like this. Once you've drawn the outline, it should look like this. You can go ahead and erase the little line that was right there. And then, where there were straight lines at the end of it, you can make a little flare like this at both of the ends. And if you don't have a log to cut, and if you don't have a chainsaw to do it with, just get a board that's about as thick as this. The only reason I'm doing it with a log is because I didn't have the right lumber to make the blade with. Now you can take the tool that you probably don't have, the miter saw, and cut along the lines. Once you're done cutting out the slice of the log, now you are going to need to make a hole through your stick that can hold the blade in place. Once you're done chiseling out the hole, it's going to look something like this. And it's okay if the blade doesn't fit snugly in, because that's going to make it so it fits tight in the hole. Once you're done making the hole in your stick, you can take this sander machine, but if you don't have this, you can just use sandpaper and sand out the splinters that were around your hole. Then you can take this spray paint again and spray paint your blade. Here is the finished product in all of its majesty. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure on your way out you hit the like and subscribe button and watch all of my videos.